Next chapter, HCF LCM. This basics we have already covered. So directly we start with the problem. Find the HCF of 540 and 84. Find the HCF of 540 and 84. Remainder is 36. With this remainder 36, 84. Remainder is 12. With this remainder 12 divide 36. You should go on dividing until the last remainder is 0. You should go on dividing until the last remainder is 0. The last divisor is the highest common factor. The last divisor is the highest common factor. So highest common factor of 540 and 84 is 12. So answer is 12. Question number 2. Find the greatest number which divides 882, 396 and 1404 respectively. First divide 882 by 396. Now divide 1404 by 18. So highest common factor of 882, 396 and 1404 is 18. So answer is 18. Question number 3. A trader has two varieties of sugar, 204 kg and 1190 kg by weights. Find the number of minimum bags of equal size in which he can store the sugar without mixing. We have to find out the HCF of 1190 and 204. We have to find out the HCF of 1190 and 204. So answer is 34. That's multiple choice A. Question number 4. A worker was engaged for a certain number of days and was promised to be paid rupees 1189. He was absent for some days. He was paid for rupees 1073 only. Find his daily wages. We have to find out the highest common factor of 1189, 1073. We have to find out the highest common factor of 1189, 1073. 29. 29. So answer is 29. Multiple choice D. Question number 5. We have to find out the minimum number of square tiles. Since we have to find out the minimum number of square tiles, the area of the tile should be the largest. Since we have to find out the minimum number of square tiles, the area of the tile should be the largest. So we have to find out the SCF of 5 meter 44 centimeter and 3 meter 74 centimeter. Everything convert it into centimeter. 100 centimeter 1 meter. So 5 meter 44 center will become 544 and this will become 374. This is the highest common factor. Now write down. Therefore, number of tiles required is equal to. Therefore, number of tiles required is equal to area of the floor. Area of the floor divided by area of each tile. Area of the floor divided by area of each tile. So 544 into 374 divided by 34 into 34. This will cancel 16 times. This will cancel 11 times. 11 into 16, 176. So 176 tiles are required. So answer is 176. Question number 6. Find the greatest number which when dividing 3461 and 9382 leaves the remainder 10 and 15 respectively. Subtract 10 from 3461. Subtract 15 from 9382 and then find out the highest common factor. Subtract 10 from 3461. Subtract 15 from 9382 and then find out the highest common factor. From 9382 subtract 15. You will get 9367. From 3461 subtract 10. You will get 3451. From 3461 subtract 10. $493. So answer is 493. That is multiple choice C. Question number 7. What is the greatest number that will divide 2930 and 3246 that will leave as remainder 7 in each case? He is selling each case. So subtract 7 from 2930. Also subtract 7 from 3246 and then divide the highest and then find out the highest common factor. He says each case. So subtract 7 from 2930. Subtract 7 from 3046 and then find out the highest common factor. If you subtract 7, you will get 3239. If you subtract 7, you should get 3239. 2923. 2923. Seventy-nine. So answer is B, 79. Question number 8. The sum of two numbers is 1215 and their highest common factor is 81. How many such pairs of numbers can be formed? We will assume the numbers as 81x and 81y, where x and y are co-primes. I have told you previously what is the meaning of co-prime. They should not have any other factor except a common factor except 1. That's the meaning of co-prime. So we will assume 81x and 81y, where x or y are co-primes. Sum. So 81x. So 81 into x plus y is equal to 1215. So x plus y is equal to 12, x plus y is equal to 15. Now 1 plus 14, 15, 2 plus 13, 15, 3 plus 12, 15, 4 plus 11, 15, 5 plus 11, 15, 6 plus 9, 15, 7 plus 8, 15. These are the possible pairs. 3 and 12, they are not co-primes. 5 and 10, they are not co-primes. 6 and 9, they are not co-primes. Why they are not co-primes? Co-prime means they should not have any other common factor other than 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 such pairs. So answer is 4, that is multiple choice D. Question number 9. The product of two numbers is 7168 and their highest common factor is 216. How many such pairs are possible? In this question he is saying product. Product means we have to multiply. Product means we have to multiply. So we will assume two numbers as 16x and 16y. So 16x into 16y is equal to 7168. xy is equal to 7168 by 256. That is 28. Now what are the possible pairs whose product is 28? 1 into 8, 28. 2 into 14, 28. 4 into 7, 28. This is not a co-prime. So there are two factors, 1 and 2. So answer is two pairs are there, two, that is multiple choice C.